I'm Gupta and I'm 12 years old. I'm the founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna unbox this Logitech M337 Bluetooth mouse. So we are gonna unbox this mouse today. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! First of all, first things first, this is a Bluetooth mouse and its MRP is where is it? Yes, 2795. Okay, so its MRP is 2795. This is a Bluetooth mouse. There is no dongle included in this. There is already a battery included in this, right? It looks like a normal mouse, right? But it is a Bluetooth, right? And there is a gesture button also. So let's just tear this over here. It shows I have to, like, do. Okay, I shouldn't do it like this. Maybe should do it like this. So tight. Okay. Apparently this is getting removed. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so we have some instructions over here, but we'll leave those right now. Right, so here you can see the manual. Oh, okay. One gesture button, 5 convenient controls. It's saying up, down, and left, right scrolling. And then simple and reliable Bluetooth wireless, no receiver required. And then there's some manual type of thing. And afterwards, we have this mouse over here. So as you can see, this is a beauty. I always call things I like beauties, right? There is a button to switch this on and off. There's a gesture button. This is a scroll, as we have no click sound, so there is a bit of click sound over here. We'll open this and we already have an alkaline battery, but this thing is protecting the battery from not being connected right now. So GB alkaline battery something is over here, right? Next over here we can okay, so this is already on now. We can switch it off and switch it on. So it's on, so now we can say to get connected with uh so there's a Bluetooth button that will allow this to connect to other devices, right? And as you can see, there is no dongle, right? There is literally no dongle. This is a Bluetooth connectivity mouse, right? So I'll try to connect this also if I can right now, or if we need some settings then it's fine. But Bluetooth on, say Bluetooth is on, right? So okay, I don't really know how to connect this right now. I'll look at the manual afterwards and not waste your time. But this is a pretty good mouse over here, and there were no issues with the box also, right? And there's a gesture control button over here too, right? Quite cool. And there's a bit of click sound, but that's alright because yup, that's alright. A little bit of click sound does not matter, but a lot of click sound matters. So yeah, so this is quite cool. This is pretty good mouse and I recommend you buy it. So yep, if you need a Bluetooth mouse, this is a very good mouse to use. So I recommend you to buy this mouse if you are looking for a Bluetooth mouse, or else it is your choice. But this was the unboxing for our, what was it again? What was it again? M337 Bluetooth mouse. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Damn!